Women are often turned on by emotional intimacy. Take the time to understand her thoughts, fears, and dreams. Active listening is key. Ask questions and genuinely listen. Example: instead of trying to impress her, try asking her about her passions and watch her light up. Point 2. Confidence is key. Confidence isn't arrogance. It's about being comfortable with who you are. Stand tall, make eye contact, and carry yourself with assurance. Humorous note: confidence isn't texting her 10 times in a row if she doesn't reply. That's called spam. Point 3. Focus on her comfort. To truly connect, she needs to feel safe. Be respectful of her boundaries. Physical attraction grows naturally when emotional and psychological safety is established. Cliffhanger: without comfort, attraction falls apart. But how do you create comfort that lasts? Point 4. Show genuine affection. Compliment her in meaningful ways. Acknowledge her efforts, her intelligence, and her uniqueness. Physical touch matters too, but only when it's welcomed and feels natural. Point 5. Be mysterious, yet share pieces of yourself gradually to keep her intrigued. Tip: balance mystery with openness. Don't spill your entire life story on the first date. Point 6. Respect her autonomy. Attraction is about partnership, not control. Show that you value her independence. Stoic wisdom: control what you can, your own actions, and let go of the need to control others. Point 7. Be playful and lighthearted. Humor is one of the most attractive traits. Playfulness reduces tension and fosters connection. Example: tease her in a fun, respectful way, like joking about who's worse at parallel parking. Point 8. Patience is everything. Don't rush things. Building true intimacy takes time. Recognize that everyone moves at their own pace. Patience shows respect and maturity. Here are additional points to deepen and expand the script. Point 9. Be passionate about your life. Nothing is more attractive than someone who is genuinely passionate about their goals and interests. When you're excited about your life, it inspires others to want to be a part of it. Example: talk about that project you've been working on or a hobby you love. It's contagious. Point 10. Emotional stability matters. Women are drawn to men who can stay calm and composed under pressure. Emotional stability shows maturity and strength. Handle disagreements with grace. Don't let small conflicts spiral into major arguments. Tip: Stoicism teaches us to respond, not react. This is one of the most attractive traits you can cultivate. Remember, turning her on starts in the mind and heart, not just in physical actions. Focus on building a connection, respecting her boundaries, and showing up as your authentic self. The rest will follow naturally. If you found this helpful, check out my video on how to be a high-value partner women respect and admire. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.